Mon nom c'est Pierre Poulin, je peux participer les championnats du monde junior. Puis mon conseil, ça serait de toujours continuer, même s'il y a des erreurs, on continue.
My name is Ailish McNulty, and my advice to you is to remember that it's not about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday.
My name's Patrick Dan, and my advice to you is to remember to do what you want to do because you love it.
I'm Anna Hetzler, I'm on the Junior Worlds team, and my advice is to have fun and focus on your goals.
Hi, my name is Alex Scott, and my advice is to never count yourself out.
Je m'appelle Ariane Cyr. Au début, le kayak c'est seulement un 4 jours, mais c'est vite devenu une de mes passions. Cette année, je me suis classée pour les Jeux du Canada, puis je vais représenter mon pays au championnat du monde junior.
My name's Liam O'Brien, and my advice is perseverance. When I didn't make the Canada Games team this year, I was discouraged, but I persevered, and here I am on the 2013 Junior Worlds team.
My name is Haley Nelson, and I'm on the 2013 Junior World team. My piece of advice for you guys is to always support your dreams and support others that are around you.
My name is Madeline Schmidt, I'm on the Junior Worlds team, and my advice is to always remember to smile.